Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So today we'll see in Laravel, which is very important I can say while doing any application or any website. If you are designing, if you are filling any registration form, that time it is most important, that is validation. Okay, so today we'll see the validation. So what is validation? Validation means what? It will check the input field whether it is whether any data is there or not. Okay, if it is not there, it will tell data is not there, please insert data and all. Okay, that is validation. But why we use that validation? Because suppose if you are filling any form, okay, and if you forgot anything which is mobile number, you can consider if you forgot to fill mobile number, and if you have submitted the form and form is submitted also, but you have not entered a mobile number, okay, and you will think like I have submitted, I will give, suppose for interview if you are submitting and you will get call and all, then what will happen? You will not get call because that person that didn't get your mobile number, right? So here only you can see mobile number is very important, right? Suppose in that if you are giving any validation like if you are not entering mobile number, you must and should enter mobile number, that time what will happen? Validation will be useful. Okay, that I will show you. You can see here I have not entered anything here. I will submit now. You can see it is telling user field is required and password is required. So after inserting that only it will submit to database, otherwise it will not submit. So this is the validation that I will tell you how to do. Okay, so what I will do here, I will write here our company name, that is InfiSky, and I will write here password 1234567 okay, and I will submit. So it is submitted now. Okay, I have not used database, but it is submitted now. Suppose if I write here only InfiSky and if I submit, then also it will give the validation like password field is required. After inserting only it will submit. Okay, and suppose if I enter password 8 and if I submit, then also it will tell a user field is required, right? And one more thing I'll show you in InfiSky, and if I enter 1 2 3 4 5 6 only, it will give validation. See, lots of validation we have given, which is very important. Okay, so this is the validation which is necessary in all the field. Okay, so that I'll show you how to use. You can see this is a login page. You are seeing here, right? That is login page here. Okay, I have given here what CSS I have given. Okay, that which is input and error. I'll tell you why I'm using error. Okay, and you can see here this is the input field for username and this is for password, and then what I am doing, submitting, same I am using here. Next what? Okay, then error why I am using to create validation in front page, that I have used here, that is error. Okay, and I am using here post method. Okay, you can see here while submitting what I am using here, post method. So I have taken here post and post. Okay, sorry, where it is in login page. Okay, here I have taken post, and this is to redirect the path. Okay, that is to login page after submitting. Okay, it should open this only. So for that I have used this. Okay, this is the login page. And validation controller, you can see here in validation control I have get validate means what it will do, it will just open the login page. It will just open. Okay, it will not do anything. It will just view that login file. And this is the validation. Okay, this here I am doing what? Validation I am doing, that is username must be required, password required. Okay, which should be minimum 8 character or maximum 255. Then after that what I am doing, I am redirecting to login page. I'll show you one thing. Suppose if I have not taken here login, and if I run this file, you will see the error. See, there is no to view, right? So to view that file we have used this. And one more I will show you in login also. Suppose if I have taken this path, that is folder name. Suppose if I not taken this, if I taken only login, if your file name is login, it is fine. But my file name is what? Laravel API Center. After that login is there, right? So what I will do, I will run. It will run. Okay, I'll give you InfiSky. I'll give you a password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and I will submit. You will see here it is not redirecting, right? It is redirecting to login. So to redirect that, what I have done, I have taken here this. So after submitting, what is happening? Okay, I'll refresh this. I'll refresh. Take InfiSky. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, I will submit now. You can see here it is redirecting to this. So I hope I told you all the points clearly, okay? And one more thing I'll show you. Suppose if I comment this error, this I told you I have used this for validation, okay? If I error and if I run this, okay, I'll run this. Okay, it is running. If I submit, you can see it is not showing any validation, right, in blade file. So for that only, this will be, for that only I have used this, okay? Now you can see it is showing, okay? So I hope you got all the things right. If you have any question or queries, please comment in comment box, so we'll answer to that. And if you are new, then please like and share. I can see I'm getting lots of views, but nobody is doing subscribe and all. So if you do subscribe, it will motivate us to make more videos, right? So I'll request you, please, if you are new to our channel, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much everyone. Thank you.